What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. I got a whole bunch more gadgets today and I noticed there's a bunch of videos about world's loudest whistle. And this is the one that people say this is the loudest. This one is also, it says 142 decibel, and this one is supposedly also 142 decibel, 150. So which one is louder? Okay, let's go with this one first. Ow, that is loud. That hurt my ear. So yeah, gotta be careful with that. Okay, now this one. Because the noise up instead of to the side, it doesn't hurt my ears as much. This one to the bottom. Very close, but I think this one is much louder. We'll go outside and test it. And also this one is just like a whistle size right here. The same size, maybe thicker, but it is actually doesn't even consider to be a whistle. Which one is louder? Same size as this one. It doesn't hurt my ears as much as this one because it's such a high-pitched noise. But I feel like this one is louder and more distinct. I just realized this loudest whistle comes with the earplugs. Oh. First we'll go with this one. Wow, that's loud. Ow. Smaller one. And this is not even a whistle, it's a horn, but it's size of a whistle. Which one was the loudest?
The first one on the first time.
First one is the loudest?
Yeah.
Even more than a horn?
But I think the horn's more distinct.
Yeah, it does. It hurts less my ear.
It sounds like a tugboat.
Yep, there you go. This one wins. Also, there's a little Spider-Man. So you put it to your hand, and then there's a little lever right here. Push it all the way down, and now it's charged. Boom. There's a spider web. There's a button, and it will release it. There's a little like attachment to it, like a suction cup attachment. Boom. Do you see it? And now I can pull it. Well, at some point the suction cup came off, but you see it almost pulled down the whole thing. And again, that is so cool, and they're chargeable. Definitely would be cool for the costumes. Let's see if we can get the Ellen. Got him, and then pull it. I found $1 magic tricks. Check this out. Put it to, break it. Now all the pieces are broken, and push it back in, and now it's fixed again. I love that one. It's so unique, super easy to do with kids. Next one is a magic sword. There's a little sword. We'll go to the back right here, and all we're going to do is just push it through, and it will go through the sword without breaking it. How cool is that? Works every time. If I take it off. This one is a rope trick. Got it. Put it back together. How to turn single dice into many dices. Ooh, suction cups work really well. Will it work really well on a sink too? Okay, let's test it. Put it right here in the middle. Put it on the side, whatever. Get some soap on it. Ah, there goes nothing. Just grab the glass, rinse it off, turn it. Pretty soaped up everywhere, I like it. What about dirty plate? Will it work with dirty plate? Pretty good. It's working. Wuben X4 flashlight. They keep making moves. This is nice. So there's a whole bunch of settings. This is how you charge it. Then locked up, so it will be not turning on by itself. So a regular lamp right here. Ooh, actually this is a side one. Press and hold, and then spin it to make it brightest, darker, and it will flash, and then the different colors. That is cool. Okay, now we're going to do this one. One click, lowest, brightest, lower. Double click, highest, lowest click, lowest. And then the moonlight. And the will get deactivated, so it's no lowest. That is so cool. There's a clip for the cap, so you can put it into the cap, so it will look like a headlamp, hiking, pocket, whatever. This is super unique. There's the on the bottom. Oh, there's another thing. You can turn it on, quick access for the flashlight right here. That's nice. And magnet and the latchet right here. Push this. Let's see, it's unlocked this way, and we have right here rechargeable big battery. I love that. So the reason why it's so nice that it's removable, I can get multiple of them and replace them and recharge them later. Lock it, and lock works really good. Very cool flashlight. You can redesign. They send me very cool over here bear lighter. Okay, I just refilled it. You need a lighter, just grab it and turn it on. That's hilarious. And there's a lock, and to adjust it, just up and down right here. Yeah, very powerful, highly adjustable. I love it. Bear holding a lighter. Live gear. This is a flashlight I still to this day use. I had it for so long, and it's so nice. I can set it up like a cone, regular like this, both ways, so that way people can see. Super cool. To conserve the batteries, you just put it on one lantern or brighter two lanterns. So flashlight and the lantern at the same time. So flashlight and the lantern at the same time. Super cool. This might be one of the best camping spork and a knife. An actual metal knife here and a sparker right here. Very heavy spark on this side. Fork and a knife or a long spoon and a fire starter. So unique. I just bought a breakable silver. There's a burn for it, and you know what's funny? I cannot break it. They advertise it like it's a breakable silver, but without pliers. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. It's too thick. 1 ounce into quarters. I don't know, not even a bend. I got it here, very unique snack. This is a sea grapes green caviar. Let's try this. All right, look at that. Like a seaweed of some sort. Now let's put in the water. Okay guys, I don't think it's gonna get any bigger. Let's try it. Salty, delicious. I like seaweed. It tastes a little weird, but yeah. I like it. Super stange. Definitely does taste like fish eggs.